A subsect of the Lingayats has taken center stage. The Panchamasali community is taking out a rally in Belagavi, seeking a change in the reservation category. And as we speak, the protesters lathi charging the members who are protesting. What happened and what's the situation on ground?
At this point in time, on one side of the road, the police have managed to allow the traffic to move. On the other side, coming in from Belagavi towards Hubli, that road completely right now blocked for about an hour. Then this is the highway, mind you. But as I ask my video journalist to pan around, you will notice that the protesters are everywhere, and there are at least about 3,000 to 4,000 in number at the location that I'm standing. And I'm going to show you a 360-degree view, possibly more, and there you can see top officials of the police department right now here trying to contain the protesters, but not able to that easily. Chunk of the Lingayat community in Karnataka. So politically as well, very, very important. The BJP as well faced a similar situation when they were in power. In Belagavi itself, there was a they do not get any reservation at this point in time. So the demand and the agitation continues as we speak for the 2A reservation here from the community. The BJP backing this, what happened just 10 to 15 minutes ago at this very place. So the repercussions of this politically, of course, could be seen over the next 2 to 3 days with the assembly session that is going on here.
Also haunted the previous government.
Well, as we speak, Pratibha.
Protest. Okay. Congress Sarkar, there was no need for absolutely to do any protest, any lathi charge. On a peaceful protest, Congress has, Siddaramaiah government has.
Protests are taken away from the site as soon as possible. Huge crowds, of course, coming along with them as well. You can see right now how the situation is around the highway. Once again, both the sides of the highway has.
I also want to introduce Mr. Ramesh Babu of the Congress Party joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Ramesh Babu, these were peaceful protesters who have been lathi charged by the protests by the police officials there. Why did it?
The local administration already they met the Swamiji and they convinced her. So I don't know what is the situation in the Belgaum, but to maintain the law and order, the local administration. The political agenda of BJP, everybody knows in Karnataka. Why they have not given 2A status to the Panchamasali when they were ruling in the state? They are going to move the amendment, whatever it is required, as stated by Honorable Chief Minister in the House.
Okay, all right. Because during the assembly elections, one of the poll planks of the Congress Party was the alleged.
It has to be extended up to 75%. The amendment is required, and definitely we are going to take, as per the provision of the law, definitely we are not going to curb any community.
The BJP leaders extending support to the protest being detained by the police.
Move. Right now for over an hour on one side the traffic has come to a standstill, and on the other side as well right now there is no movement. You can see here the protesters have blocked this side of the highway as well. I'm condemning the lathi charge that took place earlier. Right now they will of course be wary of taking any sort of serious action against the protesters, while of course there was no permission, but still, because this is a politically sensitive matter, across the stretch of the road, both the sides of the highway right now remaining blocked. Protesters everywhere. The police really had plans to load them into buses, take them away, but that hasn't worked, as they have community with the 2A reservation, which they say has been long pending and absolutely necessary for the welfare of the community.
Okay, so Deepak, the issue has been pending for years together. It's also in.
Well, there was a delegation, Pratibha, of some of the Congress ministers just before the assembly session today got adjourned because of the death of Mr. S.M. Krishna. They did come here along with the DC, block, the vehicles that are moving ahead. You can see as the police are on one side trying to allow for the traffic to move, but the protesters not willing. And you can see once again has of course been largely affected because the vehicular movement has been stopped on the highway. You could just imagine people heading on this highway for last 1 hour being stopped. To now come show you a little bit of drama ensuing here. The protesters on the streets, again there could be lathi charge as we speak here. There you can see the protesters have sat on the highway, not allowed, sleeping right in front of a lorry, and the drama only continuing here as we speak from the police, who are trying to move the vehicles as soon as possible. Looks like they have very few options if they want to really ensure that the traffic is cleared. But on the other hand, the political ramifications of a lathi charge here or use of force